Dear students, now we are going to discuss the remaining part of dihybrid cross. So after completion of crossing between two parents which are in homozygous condition, the F1 produced is F1 is with a capital Y, small y, capital R, small r. Double heterozygous, double dominant. It is a dihybrid. Up to here we completed. So this is a F1 generation now subjected to self-pollination. And before that one, we have to know the probability of gametic combinations. So here take a gynoecium. And androecium. So how gametes are produced? What about the number of kinds of gametes? Okay, so here gynoecium is with a capital Y, small y, capital R, small r. Same type of genotype. Here also capital Y, small y, capital R, small r. Okay, so from this one, what about the number of kinds of gametes? Okay, so from this one, capital Y, capital R. So after meiosis or during meiosis, capital Y, capital R into one chromosome. So capital Y, capital R. This is one kind of a gamete. Next, capital Y with a small r, second gamete. Combination of alleles to produce gametes. So capital Y with the rest of the alleles of R gene completed. Now small y with small capital R, capital R, small y, small r. So what about the number of kinds of gametes? 1, 2, 3, 4 on the base of number of kinds of alleles. So all these 4 kinds of gametes are female gametes. Okay, so how many kinds? 1, 2, 3, 4. First gamete with 2 dominant alleles, 2 kinds. Second one with one dominant allele, one recessive allele. This one recessive, one dominant. This one, both are with the recessive. Okay, next from this side also, same number of kinds of gametes. On the basis of number of kinds of alleles involved in the formation of gametes, kinds of gametes are 4 only. Here also capital Y with capital R, capital Y with small r, small y capital R, small y small r. So all these are 4 kinds of male gametes. Okay, so here actually these are the 4 kinds of gametes only. On the base of number of kinds of alleles. So basically how many kinds of gametes? Number of kinds of gametes, basic kind, 4 only. When the gender is added, male, female, 8 kinds. But actually, the basic one is 4 kinds only. Go for 4 only. Even without taking like this, we can prepare a number of gametes. For example, capital Y, small y, capital R, small r. Gene 1, gene 2. Gene 1, gene 2. So here the formula is 2 to the power n. 2 is 2 alleles. 1, 2, 1, 2. Each gene is with 2 alleles of the same kind or different kind. Depends on condition of that individual. So gene 1, gene 2. Each gene is with 2 alleles generally of the same type or different type. This 2 is nothing but a number of alleles of that gene 2. Okay, next. This n is nothing but the number of alleles with 2 kinds of alleles. A number of genes with n is nothing but a number of genes with number of genes. How many genes? Total number of genes with a heterozygous condition. Means how many genes are having 2 types of alleles. So here 2 refers to 2 alleles. 2 alleles of a gene. 2 alleles of a gene. And n is number of genes in heterozygous condition. Number of genes in heterozygous condition. So simply 2 into 2. How many kinds? Go for 4 kinds only. Okay, so this is 4, 4. But actually, basically how many kinds? Basically 4 kinds only. Don't go for 8 kinds. Okay, so 2 to the power 2. 2 power 2. 4 kinds of gametes. Simply take like this: capital Y, small y, capital R, small r. Capital Y, capital R into 1 gamete. Next, capital Y, small r, capital Y, small r. Next, small y, capital R, small y, small r. 4 kinds of gametes. So this is the way to take out the gamete from dihybrid. Okay, so remember the total number of gametes. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 kinds basically, right? So that is about how to take out gametes. Now, use Punnett square. Okay, right? So Punnett square is used to understand combinations of gametes, right? If F1 is subjected to self-pollination, the progeny produced is F2. So what about F2 progeny in dihybrid cross? Now use Punnett's Reginald C. Punnett's square. Okay, so this side, left side, this side, take a female gametes. So what are the gametes? Capital Y, small y, capital R, small r. So take the gamete. So capital Y, capital R, one kind of gamete. Capital Y, small r, second kind. Next, small y, capital R. Small y, small r. Four kinds completed. So this side, left side, female gametes. On the top column, this one, top row. This side, male gametes. Okay, so same type of gametes. Capital Y, capital R, capital Y, small r, small y, capital R, small y, small r. Okay, so now see the combinations of gametes during fertilization. Siphonogamous type of oogamy. So here F1 is subjected to self-pollination because of that this much number of kinds of gametes are produced. Now what about the combination of F2 progeny? So this is F2 progeny. So this gamete with this one, this gamete with this one, this gamete with this one, this gamete with this one. So first female gamete with first male gamete, second one, third one, fourth one. Do like that. Okay, so first one, capital Y, capital Y, capital R, capital R. Double homozygous, double dominant. Double homozygous, double dominant. So this one is yellow round. Yellow round. Parental type only. Double homozygous, double dominant. Next, this one, capital Y, small, capital Y, capital Y, capital R, small r. Okay, right? Homozygous, heterozygous, single homozygous, single heterozygous. This is monohybrid. Monohybrid means one gene is in heterozygous condition and it is a double dominant. So this one also yellow round. Parental type only. Next, capital Y, small y, capital R. Wait. Capital Y, capital Y, small y, small y, capital R, capital R. Okay, so reverse of this one. Heterozygous, homozygous. One homozygous, one heterozygous. Monohybrid, double dominant. Yellow round. Yellow round. Next. Last one. Capital Y, small y, capital R, small r. Double heterozygous, double dominant. F1 repeated. Yellow round. So first round is completely double dominant. Next, second row. This one with 4 1 by 1. Capital Y, capital Y, capital R, small r. Repeated. This one, same as this. Yellow round. Yellow round. Next. This one, capital Y, small r, small r. Homozygous, dominant recessive, one dominant, one recessive. So yellow ring-killed, phenotypic recombinant, one dominant, one recessive is a phenotypic recombinant. Next, capital Y, small y, capital R, small r. Same, F1 repeated. Yellow, round. Next, last box, these two. Capital Y, small y, small r. One heterozygous, one homozygous, one dominant, one recessive, monohybrid. One gene is in heterozygous condition, monohybrid. So this one is the yellow ring-killed. One dominant, one recessive, repeated. Yellow ring-killed repeated, but genotype different. Next, this one, capital Y, small y, capital R. Okay, repeated. Heterozygous, homozygous, monohybrid, double dominant. Yellow round. Yellow round. Next, this box. Capital Y, small y, capital R, small r. From this corner to this corner, diagonally. Okay, so this one is a F1 dihybrid. Yellow round. Double dominant, double heterozygous, double dominant. Next, small y, capital R. Homozygous, double homozygous, one recessive, one dominant. Okay, so here this one is a green ring-killed. Take this one here, green. Wait. Yeah, green. Wait. Green round, sorry. Green round, one dominant, one recessive, phenotypic recombinant. Small y, green, recessive character. Capital R, round, dominant, one recessive. That is a phenotypic recombinant. Next, small y, capital R, small r. Homozygous, heterozygous, recessive, dominant, monohybrid. So this one also green round. And this one, capital Y, capital R, small r. Dihybrid, double dominant, yellow round. This one, capital Y, small r. Heterozygous, homozygous, monohybrid, one dominant, one recessive. So yellow ring-killed. Phenotypic recombinant. Small y, capital R, small r. Homozygous, heterozygous. one recessive, one dominant, monohybrid, phenotypic recombinant. So small y means green, round, green round. Next, last one, small y, smaller, parent as it is. This one 100% similar to one of the two parents. This one also 100% similar to one of the two parents. Dominant parent, recessive parent, repeated. So this one, homozygous, double homozygous, double recessive. So that is small y means a green, ring-killed. Okay, so now out of what about the total number of plants? 4 into 4, 16 or not? So in F2 total number of plants, 4 into 4, 16 available here. Out of 16, now what about total number of yellow round plants? Plants producing yellow round seeds. Yellow round seed producing plants. How many yellow round? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 are the out of 16. 9 are the yellow round. So 9 by 16. Out of 16, total number of yellow round 9. Next, phenotypic recombinant. So parent only, parental combination only. Parental type. That is yellow round. Next, yellow ring-killed. Yellow ring-killed. Seeds. How many seeds? Yellow ring-killed, one dominant, one recessive. How many yellow ring-killed? Yellow ring-killed. Yellow ring-killed. Yellow ring-killed. How many? 3. 3 by 16. Phenotypic recombinant. Here, phenotypic recombinant means one dominant, one recessive. Next, green round seed producing plants out of 16. Their number, green round 1, green round 2, green round 3, 3 by 16. Phenotypic recombinant. Last one, green ring-killed. Green ring-killed seed producing F2 plants. Only this one. 1 divided by 1 by 16. Parental type. Okay, so what about the number of kinds of phenotypes? 1, 2, 3, 4. So in F2 progeny, kinds of phenotypes. How many kinds? 4 kinds. 4 kinds of phenotypes. 4 kinds of phenotypes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Check it here. 4 kinds of phenotypes. 4 kinds of phenotypes. Check your network. Here it is clearly visible. Check your network. Here it is clearly visible. Your network is problem. It's not my problem. Okay. Kinds of phenotypes, 4 kinds. 1, 2, 3, 4 kinds. Okay. And kinds of parental type. How many? 2 kinds. Parental phenotype kind. How many? 1, last one. First one, last one. 2 kinds. Next, phenotypic recombinants. Phenotypic recombinant kinds. 2 kinds. What are they? Yellow wrinkled, green round. So here, phenotypic ratio. Phenotypic ratio is 9:3:1. Okay, 9:3:1. Phenotypic ratio. So here, these two. How many plants? Total number of plants? 16. Out of 16, 9 plus 1, 10. Parental type. Parental. 3 plus 3. 2 kinds only, but total number 6 are the phenotypic recombinants. Phenotypic recombinants. So this is a phenotypic ratio only, right? So here the question is, what about the total number of phenotypic recombinants? How many kinds are there? 2 kinds. What are they? Yellow dominant, wrinkled recessive. Phenotypic recombinant means this combination is absent in parents. Next, green round, recessive dominant. How many kinds? 2 kinds only. Okay. Now, out of 16 plants, what about the probability of yellow, green, round, wrinkled? Probability. So what about the total number of out of 16 plants, how many are with yellow seeds? Only yellow seeds. Yellow. Okay, what about the probability of yellow? Check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So yellow probability is 12 by 16. Okay. So its probability is 3. 3 by 16. 3 by 4, sorry. 3 by 4. Now, yellow with take 1 raised character, that is yellow. A wrinkle I am taking. Wrinkled. What about the total number of seeds with the wrinkled condition? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 by 16 means 1 by 3. Next, green round probability and green round and green. How many round? Round 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it is 12 by 16 3/4. Last one, green. Green probability. Probability of green. Probability of green. How many green? No. 1, 2, 3, 4. So green 4/16, 1/3. Okay. So 3:1 multiplied with 3:1. 3. First 3 yellow. Next 1 wrinkled. Next 3 round, 1 green. So this is actually 3:1 is phenotype ratio in monohybrid cross according to Mendel. If you multiply 3:1 with 3:1, you'll get a 9:3:3:1. Okay, right? So that is about a phenotypic ratio. Is it clear? Right? Yellow with wrinkled. Yeah, take separately. No, only yellow seeds, only wrinkled seeds, only round seeds, only green seeds. Like that. Take the individual probability. Take individual probability. Right? Yeah, 4/16. Yeah, 4/16. Sorry. Yeah, it is 4/16. 4/16, 1/4. 4/16. Yeah, you are correct. 4/16. Phenotypic probabilities. So first one, what about the total number of F2 plants with a yellow round? So here, total number of the probability of yellow round multiplied with the probability of round seeds. What is the individual probability of yellow? 3/4 multiplied with the individual probability of this one, 3/4. Okay, so this is a 9/16. So what about the probability of yellow round plants? You will get the probability of its number out of 16 by multiplying individual probability of yellow with individual probability of round. Second one, yellow wrinkled. Yellow wrinkled. What about the number of yellow wrinkled? Take yellow probability. Multiply yellow with wrinkled probability. Yellow 3/4, wrinkled 1/4. So its probability is 3/16. Fourth one, green round. What is the probability of green? 1 by 4 multiplied with this one 3 by 4. Phenotypic recombinant, the probability of this one is 3 by 16. Fourth one, green wrinkled. Probability of green is 1 by 4 multiplied with 1 by 4. Its probability is 1 by 16. So 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1. Okay. So here these two are phenotypic recombinants. These two are phenotypic recombinants. Okay, so phenotypic recombinant means one dominant, one recessive phenotypic trait. Okay, right? So that is about a phenotypic ratio. So we will get a phenotypic ratio by multiplying 3:1 with 3:1 of monohybrid cross. Okay, so this one is a yellow probability. This one is a round probability. And this one is a wrinkled probability. This one is a green probability. So we will get a 9:3:3:1. Okay, so far we completed a phenotypic ratio only. And what about a genotypic ratio? How many kinds of genotypes are there? Okay. Dihybrid, genotypic ratio. Okay, wait. Yes, yes. 9 kinds of genotypes. What are they? What are the 9 kinds? First, I'm going to take what are the kinds of genotypes one by one. Capital Y, capital Y, capital R, capital R. Here, description is very, very important. So what about this one? This one is double homozygous, double dominant. Double homozygous, double dominant. Double homozygous, double dominant. Non-hybrid. It is not a phenotypic recombinant, as it is a dominant parent. Double homozygous, double dominant. Non-hybrid. It is not a hybrid. Double homozygous, double dominant. So here, what about the number of kinds of alleles of this gene? 1. This gene with 1. Use 2 to the power n. 2 to the power n. So 1 into 1. Okay, or 2 to the power. Okay, so better use 1 into 1 only, better. How many genes are in heterozygous condition? 0. All are in homozygous condition. So multiply the probability of this one with this one. Simply, what about the number of kinds of alleles of this? We'll see the probability later. Wait. First of all, we should know what about a description for all these. I will tell you that one later, not now, after completion of this one. Capital Y, capital Y, capital R, small r. This one is double, wait. This one is one heterozygous, one homozygous. One homozygous and one heterozygous. One homozygous, one heterozygous, double dominant. Double dominant. This is a hybrid, monohybrid. Monohybrid. Reason one is in heterozygous condition. Next, third one, capital Y, small y, capital R, capital R. Homozygous, heterozygous. One homozygous, one heterozygous. Double dominant. Double dominant. This is also monohybrid. Monohybrid means one gene is in heterozygous condition. Fourth one, capital Y, small y, capital R, small r. Double heterozygous. Double heterozygous, double dominant. It is a dihybrid. Next. Small y, capital R, capital R. Homozygous, homozygous, double homozygous. Double homozygous, one dominant, one recessive. Okay, so green round, one dominant, one recessive. This is a phenotypic recombinant. Phenotypic recombinant. Next, sixth one, small y, capital R, small r. One homozygous plus one heterozygous. One recessive, one dominant. One recessive plus one dominant. This is also phenotypic recombinant. Seventh one. Capital Y, small r, small r. Capital Y, small r, small r. One homozygous plus one heterozygous. No, wait. Double homozygous, sorry. Double homozygous plus one dominant one recessive. Phenotypic recombinant. Phenotypic recombinant. Next, eighth one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Eighth one, capital Y, small r, small r. Okay, not repeated. Okay, so one heterozygous, one homozygous, plus one dominant, plus one recessive. Phenotypic recombinant. Phenotypic recombinant. Last one, small y, small r, small r. Recessive parent. Double homozygous, double recessive. Recessive parent. Okay, so what about the number of kinds of genotypes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 kinds. So, kinds of genotypes, 9 kinds. Okay, so that's about a description for all kinds of genotypes in F2 progeny. This description is very, very important for NEET and AMSET also. Okay, right? Next.